craving savings. We are working once again with our friend Jenn and MorningSave.com.
Okay, we have such good stuff today. I'm super excited. First up, we've got the Cuisinart 5.5 quart stand mixer. So this puppy comes with a chef's whisk, a flat mixing paddle, a dough hook, and large stainless steel bowl, so you can make all kinds of recipes. Plus, it's engineered with plenty of power and 12 speed options for precision control. It comes with a splash guard with a pour spout to prevent messes. These are like the gold standard, I feel like, of mixers, and they last forever. So we've got 5 colors, so it's going to match any kitchen. I love that because, with things like this too, when you can leave them out, if they match your kitchen, it's so much easier to use it. We have seen these puppies sold for as much as $250, but we've got them for you for just $179. That is 20% off, like Cuisinart. Like that just doesn't really ever happen. So great deal.
That's huge. Big name, way low price. Fantastic.
Okay, so you're going to love this next one. You're going to be super excited about it. We have got a set from one of your favorite people, Mally Roncal. Yep. So Morning Save actually put together a whole set that has all of her beauty essentials at a great deal for us. This is the full face essentials set. So it comes with 1 book of brightening essentials that's got literally everything you need for a fresh face in one palette. You've got a neutralizing cream, you've got concealers, powder, bronzer, blush, and eyeshadows, and her face defender, which I think is one of your favorites. It's that clear oil absorbing miracle. You're also getting an eyebrow pencil and a lip kit that includes 2 moisturizing lipsticks and a lip pencil. I'm wearing one of them today, actually. And if you haven't tried Mally's products, she has worked with the biggest stars like J-Lo, Beyonce, Heidi Klum, and more. She knows how to make these products, so they're pretty much foolproof. Like I use this little lip pencil today, and it's amazing because you cannot mess it up. Like the way that everything is shaped, the way that it goes on, and they really are foolproof beauty products. And sold separately, you would have to spend at least $61 to get all of these items. But we have got this full set for just $29. That is 52% off.
Crazy. And
it's legit,
Mally's stuff is already and I've said this to her so many times, she's so underpriced for the value of her quality and what she delivers. Where are we going next?
These are the Miss Spa foot exfoliating treatments, and we've got a 6-pack of them. So I don't know if you've ever seen these before. I feel like they're all over my Instagram and TikTok, these kinds of little like exfoliating foot booties. They are so satisfying and so effective. You literally just slip on these booties and you let the natural extracts, antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and other nourishing ingredients do their thing. They're going to help remove rough skin and repair your dry, cracked feet. You instantly see such great results. It just, for me at least, get better like as the days go on. It's awesome. These actually particular ones are safe for all skin types, and they're fragrance free and free of artificial dyes, parabens, and sulfates.
Oh, great. You can give yourself an at-home pedi.
Yeah, literally just targets that dry, dead skin and makes your feet like so refreshed. Okay, so we have seen these sold for $7 each on the brand's website. So if you're going to buy a pack of 6, you have to spend $42. But we've got the 6-pack for just $17. That is 60% off. That's like 6 pedicures like in a packet for you right there for $17.
Right, you're getting kind of a cheaper one.
I love these. Once you try them, you're going to be totally hooked on them. I'm just saying. So our final product is the Ella Jane wearable weighted blanket. I love a weighted blanket. This one is so snuggly. Weighted blankets, as we hear all the time, they've been proven to help reduce anxiety and help increase your body's production of serotonin and melatonin. So that allows you to rest easier and happier. This version here is oversized for comfy fit for all shapes and sizes. So it's pretty much like a one size fits all situation. It has 2 built-in pockets so you can keep your hands toasty, and you can always keep your phone or your remote close by. Plus, the quality construction is amazing. It keeps the glass bead filling from shifting around, so the weight is always evenly distributed. And we've got 10 colors. We have seen this sold for as much as $120, but we've got it for you for just $49. That is 59% off.
Oh my
wearable weighted blanket.
That's
a good
amazing.
We only have a certain quantity of each of these things, so it is only available while supplies last. So go to MorningSave.com